So it's Sunday morning and you've got some time to prep some breakfast, something for the family, but you just don't know what to make.
I don't know what to make.
I've got a pretty easy cinnamon waffle recipe that I think you're gonna love. So stick around and I'll show you how to make it.
And stick around and I saw how to make it.
For this recipe, you're going to need 2 mixing bowls, 1 cup measuring cup, a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, a spatula or spoon, a whisk, and a waffle iron, or some other way to cook up your waffles. The ingredients you need for this recipe are flour, brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, milk, and for the topping, powdered sugar. I'll go over the exact measurements as we're doing the recipe. So the first thing we're going to put in is 1 cup of flour.
Okay.
We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
That looks not yummy.
Don't eat it, baby. Next is a pinch of salt.
See, it's counting. 1, 2, 3. See, counting.
And then we're going to whisk this together. Okay. Next, we're going to add in our egg. Would you like to crack that open?
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead. There you go. Okay. There you go. Open it up. There, nice job. And we need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to use 1/2 cup of milk. Pour in our melted butter. And then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yes,
And we're gonna mix it all together.
Mmm. Mmm.
Okay, and we have some nice dough batter here for our waffles. Next, you're gonna wanna turn on your waffle iron and get that preheated, and then coat it with some form of cooking spray or other type of medium to make sure that the waffle doesn't stick to it. So while your waffle is cooking, go ahead and prepare your icing. You're going to need approximately 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, just a little bit of water, and just mix it together until you get your desired consistency. Looks pretty good.
Pretty good.
Take a look at our waffle. When your waffle is done, just drizzle your icing onto your waffle.
Onto your waffle. And that looks yummy.
Does, doesn't it, bud?
Effie. Good job, Mommy. Thank you for making waffle.
Oh, well, you're welcome, sweetie. All right, now that looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. You want to try it, Levi?
Okay.
Give you some icing. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. Excellent, quick, pretty easy recipe for our morning breakfast. If you found this informative, please hit the thumbs up sign below, subscribe and share. And if you have any favorite breakfast recipes that you enjoy, please put them in the comments below and share them with me. I love trying new things. So other than that, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless you.